So here we are in the midst of installing a Hunter WhisperWind 2000 in place of the Beacon Hill, which is now down there.
Got the canopy screws? Thank you, sir. I will need to drill shortly.
They're both antique brass. The WhisperWind 2000. This is your turn of the millennium Hunter mounting system, which is their what they call their hands-free canopy, which allows you to hang it from the plate while you connect the wires.
Okay. I can't figure out what the down rod is catching on. It's catching on.
Need me to grab
caught it.
Okay.
Now, which side did you want? You want the Hunter showing this side?
180 degrees the other way. The Beacon Hill was mounted that way. I don't know if they did it intentionally, but it sure looked good. And that's kind of, you know, back when a Hunter ceiling fan was something to be proud of, which is, these are, I think, one of the last examples of that era. You wanna have that, you know.
I always thought these were cool. I've never actually seen one out to see how it performs.
Well, we will now.
That's true. Let me get the drill.
There you go. We're hanging straight up and down.
Here, since you're filming, I'll look at the breaker on and we'll make sure that it powers on and behaves before we go any further.
Okay.
Whoa, tripped over thing.
Over toolbox, yes.
Yes. Is it spinning?
It is. We have spinning.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the switch back off. But, okay. Do you want to do the honors of mounting the blades or do you want me to do it?
Why don't you do it?
Okay.
I'm
gonna
keep
move
going.
the ladder back as far this way as and then when once this is in place, I'll need the drill and the other
Screws.
Yeah.
So now it says, to attach the speed ring to motor, place the index finger from your left hand and the thumb from your right hand onto the heads of the two grommet and screw combinations in the motor.
What? They did way too much thinking for me.
Yeah. Turn the motor counterclockwise using the two grommet and screw combinations while holding the speed ring in place, as shown in figure 6D.
Interesting. I had my own way of doing it before.
Whatever works.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it to work again. It worked before, but now, no, I think it's worked again. So give me a screw E-drill. So this is going to be floating on rubber then, because all these grommets are in place.
Yeah, I think that was the plan.
Yeah, so it's basically like it's very much like the isolation rings that they offered for originals. So that's actually pretty cool setup. It's too bad they don't do it. This is their version of a rubber flywheel for the 90s.
Right,
Too bad they don't do it anymore.
It is, you know, that was part of Hunter's kind of downfall, was they stopped doing, I mean, this was kind of their last attempt to be innovative in the ceiling fan world, the ceiling fan heap, I think.
Okay, why don't you hand me that Phillips head screwdriver that's not a drill? I just want to hand check them.
Of course. And then they said they decided to compete on price with the home center brands instead of the showroom brands, and they absorbed their primary competition in the high-end market, which was Casablanca. So then they really had no incentive to keep making their products top of the line.
That's true. Okay. You want to power it up and see how it goes?
Let's do that.
And then have you already read how to assemble the little decorative thing? Does it just snap on there? Is what I would assume, but I haven't looked.
I haven't gotten that far yet. Okay, stand by. Limbs clear.
Yep. We're gonna reverse it.
Okay, so that's
Hi. Ooh, I didn't realize how close that drill was. One of the blades is a little bit off. Let's see if it shakes any. Surprisingly doesn't shake.
A lot less wobble and a lot more air movement.
Yeah. I'm gonna just eyeball that, see which blade is. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't shaking, so I'm not too worried about balancing it anyway. So, you got that little snap ring?
The snap ring is up here.
Yeah. Does there snap on there?
I do not know.
I don't see any other way that it would mount. It's not going over the switch housing though. What does it say in the manual?
Well, that's what I'm trying to see. Speed ring cover.
I'm not going to force it on there until you've checked out the manual.
Okay, remove plug bottom as shown in figure 6E. Remove the switch housing cover and switch housing cap, so you have to take the switch housing off.
Okay. Have you decided yet? Either way, this had to come off in order to put that little blade screw cover thing on.
Yeah, a speed ring cover or flywheel cover or whatever you want to call it.
You got the decorative cap. Why don't you grab that, and why don't you grab the longer of the two pull chains. Although, we can definitely compare this with the wall switch and see, maybe you won't, if the wall switch gives you a better range of speeds, would you not want to have a long pull chain on it?
Yeah, there's no reason to since I don't have the light now.
Well, let's see which has a better, see which has a better low.
Okay.
The
hang on, what else did you need? I don't have any other parts up here.
It's up there, I saw it.
Oh, it's still in the bed.
Yeah. I'm gonna hand you these two because I'm scared I'm gonna knock them off the ladder.
Okay. I got that. You need any other parts for it? Yeah.
Look at that. That actually looks really classy. Okay, what I'm gonna film too. If you want to hand me mine, I don't know if hopefully I got enough charge. And because we're doing a technical demonstration, as I would call it on my channel.
There you are.
Got enough for one video.
Alright, I'm going to widen out on this so that we can see the whole blade span.
Okay. I'm going to start mine as soon as it loads.
Which means we can also see you.
Oh, I thought we could already.
No, I had it kind of tight on the motor housing, so you really couldn't.
This is part 2 of the Andy's house saga of videos. We have the WhisperWind up, and before we put the ladder away, what I want to do is I want to determine. So there's a 3-speed wall control, and then it's a 3-speed fan. I want to see which one gives us what I would call a better low speed, which in reality is a slower low speed, since I like to have a slow low speed option.
Okay.
So Andy's gonna get the control. Okay.
So should I
put it to low?
put it to low first?
And we'll see. I think I turned it off.
Yep. So we're
we'll
on
see.
low right now. So if we turn it to high, then that'll be our low speed.
All right. This will be with the control. We were debating whether or not to put the light on it.
Well, the problem is there's no second switch wired for a light. So
does that switch turn off that light at the top of the stairs?
this,
It's a lot of glare. I guess there's still some from that other light up there.
I can get rid of that one too.
Let's see if that's better. So that's it's not a bad low speed. I would like it a little slower. Yeah, that's much better. But that's where we are with the low speed with the control. So I'm going to turn the fan to low, and then we'll turn the control to high, and we'll see if it slows down or speeds up. Fan, medium, low. Turn the control to high.
I think that's faster.
I'm going to give it a minute to even out. Yeah, it does seem faster. Yep.
Now it's got a little bit of wobble.
Yeah. We can balance it if you like. Now, other question is, would you ever do a thing where turn the control to low? Actually, turn it off first. Oh, ow, wedding ring. Okay, turn the control to low.
Are you on double low?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you ever do that?
Not really, not for practical purposes. I did it with the Beacon Hill once, just for the last video I did of it.
Only, yeah, I mean, that'd be the only reason to have the pull chain extension on it then.
Right.
So that's a nice low speed though, for... Okay, so you fine with just the control?
Yeah.
Okay, well then I'm gonna set this to high, and we don't need it. Off. High.
Yeah, that's a nice gentle low speed.
Okay. That is a classy looking fan. I didn't really think there were too many 90s Hunters that I liked, but I like this one.
Good.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and start it again to do a video where we cycle through all the speeds, but I think I'll put the ladder away first.
Well, should we balance it first?
That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna see if it even needs it.
Medium?
It's a little wobbly on medium.
Yeah, go to high.
It's not bad though, medium. So low and high are good, it's just medium that's a little bit wonky. What do you need? Oh, just thought you were reaching for something.
Feeling the breeze. It even torques a little bit when it, which the you see in which if any of them are pointed.
Yeah, one of them's quite a bit
wonky.
down.